So she starts off as a very normal teenage girl. She's 14 when we first meet her, and she sort of does normal school things. She doesn't like maths. She's got a crush on a boy in her year, and then her life is completely undone when the Nazis invade France and her school is occupied and she has to escape, and she's taken in by a classmate and hidden for 2 years. It was just such an honour to meet people like Helen Mirren and Gillian Anderson and Mark as well. It was just so special to meet them. I tried to watch all their movies before, which was just very intimidating, but just to be able to talk to them and become close with them, and they were just so welcoming and comforting, and it was just very, very special. I think the really important thing is the choose kind message, and that when you're in situations where there's an option to be generous and maybe that option's difficult and maybe you have to choose to be very brave to do that, even a small act can have such a big impact. I think that the messages are relevant a century ago and unfortunately still relevant now and I think the important thing to note is that it's on a small scale with, your friends, people but also on a bigger scale of, socially choosing kindness across the whole world would be a good thing for everybody.